Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a windmill or a propeller to this, so you can do like so. So then we start for the beginning. We delete this keyframe. Just delete this keyframe. Then we start with number 1. So place it on what you want them to be. So then you go to click on N, and you come to this panel and you go here and you choose add no so we add one keyframe here. So one, then we take this and we scale it like so. Then we take this one and we do it all the way to this. Then we made more like so. And so, and we click on 1. So now we are in 870. So thread like that. I think we are down to. So then you see here this slowing down, and so if you want to make it don't slow down, you shift and you go right click on the mouse and go to go to interpoled mode and you go to linear. So now when we do, they are spinning all the way. So it's not slowing down. So that's what this video. So if you liked this video, so please subscribe and share this video and like, so I do more like animation, video and modeling.